everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to enable Gmail dark mode. So first you open the Gmail application. Once you tap open the Gmail, you can see the theme for the Gmail is currently light. So I want to change this to the dark mode. For that you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left. There you need to scroll down and tap on setting at the end of the option. Tap on setting. Here in the settings section, you tap on general setting. Inside general setting, at the very top, you will see the theme. Tap upon that. Here you need to tap on dark. Theme will be changed to the dark mode. So this is how you can enable Gmail dark mode. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.